Okay guys, this is what I have for you today. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Here, I bought a spray gun online, and I'll show you. I got it from Amazon. It's right here. It's the Astro Pneumatic Tool Company. It's their Europro HE. Here's the part number if you want to order one. It's a Europro HE 103. Now I got this gun to do a review. I've gotten a few questions about what's a good budget spray gun, so we're going to review this one. And I also bought the Cobalt Gun for $50 back there. This one was $83.07. So on the Cobalt Gun, I picked that up yesterday. I got this today. This is what you're going to get. The Europro high efficiency, high transfer spray gun with plastic cup. It's compatible with solvent and waterborne paints. It's a forged body design. Now I've always liked Astro. I have that primer gun, the 1.9. It's the same gun as this. So we got some instructions. I'll go there for now. We got a little brush in here. Of course, we have the gun itself. Sorry if it's shaky. They give you a tool for taking it apart and cleaning it. Which I'll tell you something on. I took the cap off the other one to clean it for the first time it was on there. And then you get a spray cup. Seems to be pretty durable. I've used the other one on the 1.9 for a while. And there's some paperwork in here for your repairs. It's got their Astro Brochure here that shows their entire line of guns that you can get. Talks about it a little bit. And of course the warranty card. So comes with one of those little gun strainers right there, filters. It goes in the cup. And this is what you're going to get for your $83. This is what it's going to look like. This is straight out of the box. I mean, the fit and finish on it is really good. I've had other guns that cost quite a bit more than this one that weren't as nice. I mean, even the threads are good. The air cap's nice and good. I mean, there's really good machining on it. I mean, for a gun in this price range, I mean, your air cap is pretty spot on. Then you have that. I mean, it's a total forged body. I mean, you have the quick release threads for the air cap. I mean, everything feels good. And it's a lightweight gun, guys. Now you can take your gun filter and put it in here. Just like so. But I'm going to review this gun. I want to go ahead and spray some clear through it, and I want to use an ultra high solids clear. I want to see what it's going to do with an ultra high solids clear. It is a high efficiency, high transfer gun, so it should be good at spraying this clear right here. This is an ultra high solids clear, so I'm going to run that through there. Now I did a little test on the clear for shrinkage that somebody else far away had done on some of the other clears that he has, and that's what I got. I mean, that's been sitting in there for 2 weeks, and then I had this other little puck from the bottom of one of my cups, and that's the clear coat. That's that clear right there. I mean, so I don't think it really shrinks that much. It didn't crack and do all the things that a lot of clears do. But anyway, that's just a little side note. We're gonna do a review of this gun with that clear coat. I'm probably gonna spray it over that fender right there, and then I've got to re-clear that, fix some damage on it because it got dropped. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the Astro and the Europro HE. You know, and the part number was Euro HE 103. I got it on Amazon. You can just look it up. It was $83. I like these guns. They're lightweight. I have the primer gun in this, and this is my favorite primer gun. Now let's see if we can get a clear gun out of it. I want to see how it sprays clear. It does have a massive fan on the primer, so I hope that this one has a massive fan for a clear coat, because y'all wanted a budget gun that y'all could buy without spending $500 and $600, $400, $500, $300 to get a super high quality body shop gun that's gonna, you know, is not necessarily what us DIYers are gonna use it for. You know, when you buy a DV1 or you buy a Satajet 5500, you're not buying it because it sprays better than anything on the planet, which it does, but that's the byproduct of their engineering. You're really buying it because it can take body shop daily abuse, solvents being tossed around, not being cleaned properly, and stuff like that. And when you're a DIY guy, you may use the gun 3 times, 4 times a year, 5 times a year. You're not gonna see that kind of usage, so you don't have to have something that's going to get cleaned every day, something that's going to have to take the abuse of solvents and chemicals and stuff like that every day. So we might want to find a gun that sprays really well, that doesn't cost a fortune. Literally, if you buy the Satajet 5500, it is literally, if you find it on sale, 10 times the cost of this. This was I think $83.07. If you could find a Satajet 5500 for $830, and I think you'd be doing good. But you know, we wanted a gun, so I'm going to review this in depth, and I'll go ahead and do a review on it, spray some clear, we'll see what it looks like, and I'll get back with you. But like always, guys, that's all there is to this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and as always, God bless.